Hello guys, SWT 1000 here, and today we're at Keynsham on the Great Western Main Line. So you're going to be seeing service from Southwest Trains, Great Western Railway, and A&E Lux and Freight as well. Right, we've got two services on approach. Just got to set up my camera tripod, so it may be a bit shaky. Oh, hello, we got a 66, but I think we're going to get bold. It's a Dash 5 series. Oops. That was supposed to be the 12:41 freight train service, which is a bit early. It's supposed to be here at 26, sorry. Okay, so now we got a class 43 HST on approach, or a class 158. Oh, we got another 66. We got 66 for Deutsche Bahn Cargo UK, which is a bit rare because we have a crossover, just about. Sorry about that, I clicked the wrong button. Right, that was 66177 on the ballast train. Alright, now approaching is a class 43 HST for Great Western Railway. Alright, now we've got a class 158 on approach. Oh, sorry about that. Now approaching is the something service to Great Malvern, form of class 158 for Great Western Railway. Looks like 158958. Again, sorry for the shaky camera work. This is on a tripod and it's shaking. I'll catch her when she departs. I'd just like to announce this is not Great Malvern service. This is a Templemead service, unless it changes at Templemead's to go to Great Malvern. Sorry about that. Alright, now departing is the service for Bristol Templemeads, or Great Malvern, I don't know. With 158958 proceeding. now approaching is the service to Great Malvern, I think. I don't know. Never knew. But I think this may be the service to Great Malvern. It's the mystery service. That's 158, 115, 938. Oh, there's something passing through on platform 2. Turn around. That wasn't a stop. That was a pass for some reason. Alright, we got another class 150 on approach. This time it's a -1, not a -9. One 150 926 to Brighton. Alright, now approaching is a slow moving class HST for Great Western Railway. I just said class HST, wow. Great literature. Or great English. It was picking up speed. Tripped over my own tripod. Yep, that is very good with me. And the road out was 43 140. Okay, next train to pass by is going to be a class 159 for Southwest Trains. This is 159 105. Sorry about that, it's always cracked. 159 105. Okay, now getting ready to depart is the service to is the 12:55 Southwest train service to London Waterloo. It's going to be a bit clag, I think.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Cool. Alright. Yeah,
There we go.
yeah, okay. Have a nice day.
The next train pass by is going to be a class 43 for Great Western Railway. Just going to zoom out a little bit so it doesn't go like. And I think that said MTU or something on the side. I don't know. Okay, we got another class 43 on approach. 171! It's one of my stalkers. Right, there's no other trains, so I think this is the... I'm going to conclude the video here, so thank you everyone so much for watching, it's greatly appreciated. My next station might be Filton Abbey Wood, I don't know. But it will definitely be in the Bristol area, but an unknown date. So from me here at Keynsham, I will see everyone later. Bye guys.